What's happening, guys? Samantha Isabel here with your 90-day shred update. So, not keeping you waiting any longer, here is the picture. That is the most shredded I've ever been. I was about 100, I think it was like 120 pounds. I'm not too crazy about the pounds. It's the ab definition that I really liked. I was really pumped and definitely such an intense journey. I learned a lot and I'm really proud of the results. But right after that picture, I just dove into some Easter chocolates. The week before was Easter Sunday and my family gave me so much chocolates and I just went nuts and it was amazing. I learned a lot about carb cycling, which is manipulating carbs where they're different every single day, even with training. I never really like to restrict any macronutrient. I don't like to restrict anything, especially when it comes to food. I like to have the freedom and the wiggle room to eat a little bit less or a little bit more maybe. And with this, I just really wanted to see the result, and the challenge really helped me to keep myself accountable. I met amazing people. The contest was with bodybuilding.com, and every week they would have some challenge. It was something like cute, like what's in your gym bag. And the challenge that I won one challenge, I forget which week. It was 100 push-ups, 100 squats, and 50 burpees. Oh my god. The burpees were easy compared to the push-ups. The push-ups were the hardest because it's like 100 push-ups. I can do 10. So what I did was I went on to bodybuilding.com and I looked up some different variations, because I just did 10 different variations of 10 sets of push-ups, and that's what got me to do them. And I really realized how I should do more push-ups more often. I really forgot about it. It's an old-fashioned, old school workout. And the squats, of course, they were the easiest. But the burpees, I just did 2 sets of 25, which wasn't that bad. And with the squats, I also did, I think, about like 5 variations. You can see the video on my Instagram. It is like sped up because I did that time-lapse thing. And I won! I couldn't believe it when I got the email. It was like, bodybuilding.com winner. I was like, oh, yes! And I won this cute sweater from Optimum Nutrition and BCAA, and an all-access pass to bodybuilding.com's online education, or I should say their plans and everything. And I'm just really going through all of them. I'm just soaking up so much new information, new workouts. Some meal plans are on there too. They're really good. And I just really love the team. I love bodybuilding.com's, the people that represent them. They're really easygoing. Like Steve Cook is my favorite. But for the girls, I think she's Kim Possible, something like that. She has a workout homebody. You can see it on bodybuilding.com. And of course, I'm posting this now because I saw that I didn't win the whole prize. The grand prize was $100,000. Oh my god, I would like have such... But here is the lady who won. This is her photo. Amazing. I mean, come on. I can lose to that. She had an amazing photo and she's from New York, just like me. And I think she's Puerto Rican. I don't know. I think so, because if you're from New York, you're probably Puerto Rican. But you can see her video on bodybuilding.com. It's just really nice. They surprised her with a $100,000 check. Oh my god. she had a really good reaction. I think I would have just like went nuts. And what I really liked about her transformation was that you look at her before picture, and this is someone who you would say, oh, or her family might say like, oh, that's just how she's built. It's just how she is, and you know, she should just learn to accept it. And then you look at the after picture, and that's someone else. Oh, that's how she is. That's how her metabolism is. She's just has genes. She has really good genes, or something like that. And you know, a lot of people, they play themselves down with these things from the people around them. And I just have to say, if you feel uncomfortable, if you're comfortable looking like the before picture, then by all means, look like it. But if you're not comfortable and you want to do something about it, don't let your family tell you that you're perfect the way you are or anything like that. It's your own preference. You have to live in your body, okay? And this lady did this in 12 weeks, okay? I had issues with tracking the time, because I don't like to rush things, especially when it comes to fitness and weight loss and everything like that. I like to lose fat and then over time. But this really forced me to learn how to manage my time more efficiently and how to be more consistent. And as an athlete, you know, the competitive nature in me, I just really wanted to finish it, because there were so many times that I was just like, what's even the point of me finishing this? And you know, I was just like, the point is that you finish it. You get to, the reason that I started lifting weights is because it's something sustainable. I can always go back to it. I can build muscle that will stay with me. And I also, I wanted to define what I thought was beautiful, what I thought fitness should look like, what a fit, lean body would look like according to me. And that is why you define your fit. Okay, so guys, don't forget it. You define your fit and look your best, feel your best, most importantly. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have subscribed, click the bell for notifications on when I post new videos. I post new videos every Saturday. I'll catch you guys next time.